Ready to turbocharge your trading game? Meet Galileo FX, the AI bot rewriting the rulebook. Imagine starting with just $1,000 in June and watching it grow to $5,600 by November. Sounds unreal, right? But with Galileo FX, it's a reality. This AI trading bot is shaking up the financial world, delivering jaw-dropping returns with ease. Galileo FX uses cutting-edge algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades autonomously. No more sleepless nights studying charts. You set the speed from conservative to aggressive and let the bot do the rest. Still skeptical? So were many at first. But Galileo FX's credibility skyrocketed when trades were verified by MyXbook, a trusted third-party platform. Thousands have already downloaded it, and it's generating millions in daily profits. And here's the kicker. Rumors are swirling about a potential acquisition by a US hedge fund. So, if you're thinking about jumping in, now might be the perfect time. Ready to revolutionize your trading? Join the Galileo FX wave and watch your investments soar. Intro: AI trading bots are taking Wall Street by storm. Can these digital masterminds really outsmart human traders and make serious profits? Let's find out. The rise of AI in trading. So what exactly is an AI trading bot? In simple terms, it's a software that uses complex algorithms, machine learning, and data analysis to make buying and selling decisions in the stock market. These bots can process tons of data in real time, way more than a human can handle, and can make trades based on patterns they detect. How AI trading bots work. Here's how they work. AI trading bots analyze historical and real-time market data, spotting trends and executing trades automatically. They're designed to remove the emotional aspect of trading. No fear, no greed, just pure data-driven decisions. Success on Wall Street. AI bots have been increasingly successful on Wall Street. Big hedge funds and financial institutions have been using these bots to gain an edge. In fact, about 70% of all trades in the US stock market are now executed by algorithms, many of which are AI-driven. Real-world examples. Take firms like Renaissance Technologies or Two Sigma. They've been leveraging AI and machine learning to generate massive returns for years. These hedge funds employ some of the brightest minds in both finance and technology to build their trading bots. Advantages of AI trading bots. So what makes AI bots so powerful? Well, they're fast, able to make trades in milliseconds. They're also more accurate in analyzing massive datasets and don't get tired or emotional. Plus, they can backtest strategies using historical data to optimize for the best possible outcomes. Challenges and risks. But it's not all smooth sailing. AI trading bots can be a double-edged sword. If they're not programmed well, they can misinterpret market data or make trades that result in huge losses. And during market crashes or high volatility, bots have sometimes made situations worse by executing sell-offs faster than humans can react. Future of AI trading. The future looks bright for AI in trading. With advancements in machine learning and quantum computing, these bots will only get smarter, faster, and more efficient. Some experts even predict that AI trading could eventually replace human traders entirely in certain sectors. So can AI bots be successful on Wall Street? Absolutely. But like any tool, they need to be used wisely. As the technology evolves, we're likely to see even bigger changes in how trading is done. What do you think? Will humans be out of a job, or will there always be room for both? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes to make these AI trading bots so effective? Let's take a closer look at the technology and talent driving this revolution. Creating an AI trading bot starts with coding sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms are designed to analyze market data, identify patterns, and make split-second trading decisions. Next, data scientists come into play. They use advanced statistical models and machine learning techniques to train the AI. This involves feeding the bot massive amounts of historical market data to help it learn how to make better trading decisions. But it's not just about the code. Financial analysts work alongside programmers to ensure the bot understands the nuances of the market. They input key indicators and economic factors that could influence trading strategies. And where does all this data get processed? High-performance servers handle the heavy lifting, running complex calculations in real time. This infrastructure is crucial for the bot to execute trades within milliseconds. Once the bot is up and running, it continuously monitors and adjusts its strategies based on real-time market conditions. This adaptability is what makes AI trading bots so powerful. While human traders bring experience and intuition to the table, AI bots offer speed and precision. Together, they create a formidable team in the world of trading. Behind every successful AI trading bot is a dedicated team of experts and cutting-edge technology. It's a fascinating blend of finance and tech that's reshaping the future of trading. While AI trading bots are making waves in the financial world, it's important to remember the human element behind these technological marvels. Let's explore how human expertise complements AI-driven trading. Meet Sarah, a seasoned financial analyst who works alongside AI trading bots. Sarah's role is to input critical market indicators and economic factors that the bot may not inherently understand. AI can process data at lightning speed, but it still needs human oversight to interpret complex market signals, she explains. Then there's John, a software engineer who constantly fine-tunes the algorithms. We're always updating the bot's code to adapt to new market conditions and emerging trends, John adds. It's a never-ending process of learning and improvement. Collaboration is key. Data scientists, financial analysts, and programmers work together to ensure the AI trading bot performs at its best. They hold regular strategy meetings to review performance metrics and make necessary adjustments, executing trades on multiple screens. While the bot executes trades, humans are there to monitor, interpret, and intervene if needed. This synergy between man and machine creates a robust trading environment that leverages the strengths of both. In the end, it's not about AI replacing humans, but rather enhancing their capabilities. The future of trading lies in this harmonious blend of human intuition and machine precision. Thanks for tuning in to this deeper dive into the human element in AI trading. If you found this segment enlightening, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of finance and technology. See you in the next video.